Palooza also here.
I hope you have
Money!
$1,000 foam core board. Congratulations.
My name is Abraham Agana. I am actually from here, from Houston, Texas.
From Deer Park, Texas, about an hour away from here.
Andrew DeLeon from Seguin, Texas.
My name is Juan, I'm from Houston.
My name is Zach, I'm from Mansfield, Texas.
I'm Austin, and I'm from Guam.
My name is Liz Gonzalez. I'm from San Antonio, Texas, and my favorite part was spending the day with my friends and getting free stuff.
Name's Covanius Gray, from all over Chicago, Texas, different places. Favorite part would definitely be like the community. Like everyone's close together, everyone loves this thing.
Met some amazing people and played my first Airsoft match, and I think it was one of the best experiences of my life.
This is my second year and I enjoyed it. I couldn't ask for any more.
It was amazing. I had fun playing with Jet, Alfonso, Leah. Fun playing with everybody. It was amazing. Great.
Evike Palooza was the best day of my life. I went from going rentals to a pool. The first prize.
All right, man.
I'm coming back next year from Louisiana. 4-hour drive. I'm doing it again. Come back next year, guys.
I'm coming back next year.
I'm coming back next year.
We're coming back next year.
I'm coming back next year. I'll see you there.